Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video I try to explain how you can provide a code in ChatGPT and use it in Google Earth Engine to extract the information about the population in your area of interest. You have to consider that somehow you may face error because maybe in your area of interest we have a lack of knowledge. So be aware about this point, and this video is for the people who don't have any knowledge about Google Earth Engine, with a zero knowledge. So the people who wants to learn Google Engine in a deep manner they have to search about the other videos, and it is something which helps people to know how Google Earth Engine is working. So firstly, I try to open ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT. Yeah, I open the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to provide a code in which I have the number of population in Texas, my area of interest in Texas. So I like to choose this area. You can choose your area of interest, and it is okay. Then we will ask ChatGPT to provide us the code. Then copy this code and open Google Earth Engine. As you know, and as I mentioned, when you want to use Google Earth Engine, you have to be aware. About the point that Google Earth Engine push you to use your private Gmail to produce an account to have accessibility to Google Earth Engine. You cannot use your uh, academic email to provide an account, and then you can use it freely. Here we can see the Google Earth Engine area and environment. In this part you will provide your codes. In this part you have your own libraries and the things that you had used. Here you can see the result, and in down part you can see the map of the world. We will copy and paste the code that Google ChatGPT provided for us, and then we run the model to see what will happen. Yes, here we can see the error, which is possible for all of us to uh, for us. So we will copy this one and then ask ChatGPT to correct it for us. ChatGPT try to modify the code that it provided. So again we will copy this and go to the environment, and then we will run it again. Yeah, in this way it provides the number of people who are living in Texas, and here we can see the map. uh, Basically here we can see the layer of people who are living in Texas. You can also extract the information uh, as a shapefile. For example, if I want to have this data related to like a shapefile, I will ask ChatGPT to provide a shapefile like this. Want I want output like shapefile. So ChatGPT try to provide and modify the code for you in this way, and then again you will copy the code and go to the environment of Google Earth Engine, and then again you run the code. Here you can see in the task part, you can see the Google Earth Engine gives you the information and shapefile related to the number of people who are living in Texas. Then you can choose run. You will use the name and then run. It tries to extract the information. It takes time, so we have to wait. Well, when I run the code, I have received another error in this part. I copy this part again to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT modified the code for me. I paste the code here again and then run the code, and now I have my shapefile of population. Then to download this shapefile, I choose open in Drive, and it comes to my OneDrive, and I can download this shapefile and I can use it later. Consider that we can use this approach for providing many data. It's just related to the population. We can use the data related to temperature by using ChatGPT and the Google Earth Engine, but you have to be aware about this point that you should be sure your data are correct. I mean that somehow ChatGPT may mix up some things, and you have to specify your points and your data to provide the number of information. So for example, when you provide a number of people or population for your area of interest, you can just check um, the number of people who are living in this place, for example, by Google, using Google, for example, the number of people who are living in Texas 2020, and then it shows that yeah, it is 29.36 million people are living. In this way you can check uh, your results, and the most important part that I mentioned, you can use the extract information as a data that you can bring it in uh, to your GIS model, and you can provide some hazard map, or you can get some idea. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any question, please share your idea with me. And as I mentioned, it is something really preliminary, and it is not something advanced. I just wanted to show some people how we can provide and use Google Earth Engine. As you know, Google Earth Engine is something like highway, and we can take our car and go fast. So thank you so much.